Most traders enter trades randomly and wonder why they lose money, but I never take a trade unless it checks all of these boxes. This is my exact step-by-step trading entry checklist. And if a setup doesn't pass, I skip it. Let's break it down, guys. First question. Does this setup even fit my strategy? Just because the market is moving doesn't mean it's a trade I'm going to take. If price action doesn't match my playbook, I'm out. I'm not interested. What I look for strategy confirmation is, price by key levels that we have here. Does the trade follow the proven strategy that we use daily? And is there a clear entry trigger, right? At this current moment, there isn't, but we'll see what happens. We get price, it drops down to here. Right now, it's fitting our strategy. This would be exactly what we would look for in a long position. Our pre-market plan would have had 3 different options from here. We would have been looking at that. We would have been looking at a break and retest. And we would have been looking for push up and bounce. So yes, this does fit our pre-market plan. From there, what we really want to do is make sure that we get our confirmations based off of risk to reward. The risk to reward is not mitigated. There's no trade to take. We won't take it if it doesn't fit our parameters. For us, it's a minimum 3 to 1. Right here, we have 5.24 to 1. This is a beautiful trade. We take it all day. Say you had another level that was right here, and we were only going to trade to here. Our risk to reward would only be 2 to 1. Wouldn't even touch it. No question. Move on. Wait for the next trade. Fortunately, we have this nice big space here for a big trade we can take. Our take profit right before the zone, stop loss right under the zone. Next is, do we have confirmation of direction? So if we look back, we can see that we are getting trades in sort of an upwards trend here, right? We're breaking a level, holding it, breaking, holding it, holding it. We broke here. It's coming back. So based off of all of our analysis, which includes volume and direction, this is looking good to us. It seems like we have a confirmed direction that we're looking for. And our 5th and final step is, do we know our position size? A huge part of mitigating your risk management is knowing your position size. If you have to have a wider stop loss and you're only okay with risking X amount of money, you need to size down in order to stick with the same amount of risk on every trade. For us, this is a regular risk to reward trade for us. We take this full size, no problem. So as of right now, it fits our strategy. It fits our pre-market plan. Price action has a defined R to R based off our trade. We have confirmation of direction. We know our position size. We take the trade. If at any point, any one of these key steps does not match our plan here, it's no trade all day. Move on to the next. And you can see, we skip ahead here. This is what happens with our trade. We hit our profit target at a beautiful 5 to 1 risk to reward. Can't really ask for much better than that. Like I said, this is the exact trading entry checklist I follow every single trade. One of these is not lining up with the rest of them. I walk away, wait for the next setup, and that's it. Thanks for watching this far, guys. If you liked what we had to say here, talking about this little strategy we have for a checklist, smash that like button. You can subscribe to see more stuff like this. We're going to have a link to our free trial for our Discord in the description down low. Check that out. We talk about stuff like this every day. Thanks for joining, guys. Have a good one.